for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Mazda 3. A 2010 Car and Driver's 10 Best Award winner, the Mazda 3 meets your vehicle wants and needs. Powerful and economical, technologically savvy, and boasting top safety features, the Mazda 3 is the total package. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, Bose sound system, traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lights, heated front seats, rear window defroster, trip computer, electronic stability control, power windows, panic alarm, overhead console, brake assist, tachometer, remote keyless entry, power moonroof. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.